Hello family, today I'm going to make 3 different beautiful home decors. Here are the supplies you would need for the mirror I will be making. First thing I'm going to do is add my beads to the edge of my frame. While I am adding my beads around my frame, I want to take the time out to welcome my first time viewers to my channel. I thank you for stopping by and watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn your notification bell on. To my returning family members who are taking the time out to watch my video, I thank you for your support and your love to my channel. You know I love you from where? The bottom of my heart. I appreciate you. What I'm doing now is just gluing my artificial leaf and my flower to one side of my mirror. After I finish gluing those down, now I'm just going to add my love sign and my love hearts to my mirror. Now they have adhesive on the back, so it sticks very well to the mirror. Now on to the next project. Here are the supplies you would need. Now each item will be in the description below and where I purchased each one of them. Now the first thing I'm going to do is spray paint each one of my love signs. For this project I will be making a floral arrangement centerpiece. Now I am measuring the length and the width of my decor paper. Then I will cut it out. This decor paper is so beautiful. I purchased it from Michael's. They had all type of designs with the aluminum foil look on it, and I just love this sheet of decor paper. Next, I will glue my craft foam to my decor paper. Then I will take the other decor paper that I cut out and I will glue it to the other side of the craft foam. Now that I have finished gluing on both decor papers on both sides, now I'm going to repeat the steps on the other 2 sides. You know I have to have my bling, so I'm going to put some bling wrap on the corners of all 4 sides. Okay, I had to make sure I put some decor paper at the bottom of my floral box. Okay, you guys, you know I had to add some more bling, so I added a strip of diamond wrap to both of my love signs. After I finish that, it is time for me to place my floral box in the middle of both of my love signs. Now I'm going to glue my flowers on the top of my floral box. Okay, I didn't like this part of my sign, so I decided to add some diamond wrap to cover up the wood. Okay family, this is the last bling I'm going to put on this box. I'm just going to put a little bling on the letters. While I was turning the floral box, I saw that the letters were not secured to it, so I decided to put a little glue on each one of the letters, press it against the box, and there you have it. I am now finished! Yay! Here is my last project. It is so simple. Here are the supplies you would need. The first thing I'm going to do is take it outside and spray paint the frame and the love sign. After I have finished that, I'm going to glue my beads on the inner edges of my frame. Okay family, you do not see any glass inside of this frame because I accidentally broke it. So I did not want to throw this frame away, so I came up with this idea to use this frame. Now I'm going to glue my love sign to my frame. After I have finished gluing my love sign to my frame, then I'm going to glue my artificial plant and my flower to my frame. made these cute little hearts out of the aluminum decor paper. I thought these were so cute to add to this frame. I decided I want to add some lights to this frame. Okay family, now I am finished. Now this sign will glow in the dark. I pray that each one of you are doing great out there and staying safe. Blessings to you all. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn your notification bell on.